Okay, so you want to install your own radon mitigation system. We're going to go over the necessary steps to get you to that final safe level of radon in your house if you're having issues. One thing that I want to hit on is I recommend getting a professional to come out and do it for you. There's a lot of steps that aren't very safe. This is an instructional video on how to do a DIY, do-it-yourself radon mitigation system installation. Okay, so if you're ready to install your own radon mitigation system with the safety precautions in place and the education that you have in your brain, let's get started. After we installed our radon mitigation system, we had the radon in our basement tested again for levels. And so this time, ventilation type, we have a central fan going and serving the radon system, or serving our house. And so we have a minimum of 0, which is great, an average of 0.4, and a maximum of 1.1. That's a lot better than what we originally had, which was a maximum of 19, an average of 8.6, and then I forget the minimum. I think it was maybe 1.6. And then temperature-wise, the first test was done in September, and now this test was done in January. So the temperature is different. The first test was done around 70 degrees or 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're at around 51 and 55. The relative humidity is lower. Now this could be because the temperature is lower, so the amount of water in the air that the air is capable of holding is lower, so the relative humidity is lower. It also could be due to the installation of our radon system. So it could be that we were able to reduce the amount of relative humidity in our basement, or amount of air, or amount of water in the air, because we also sealed our French drain. So there's potentially less capability for water to enter our basement. And then it looks like atmospheric pressure stayed around the same. And so every hour, the following information was tested: radon, air pressure, temperature, humidity. And it looks like it's all staying relatively constant. Temperature-wise, we have a fluctuation, again, of around 8 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I know that the dashed line is all over the place, but now our boundaries are 0 and 1.2. So before it was 0 and 19. Now it's less movement. I know that this graph looks like it's spiky, but really we reduced our radon levels significantly. So this is it in the rain. I'm going to bring it close so you can hear it running. That isn't water coming down the spout, that's water coming down the downspout here, not this radon system.